Hi. So, if you are in a spiritual journey, so we are seeing some messages, and also if you are in a genuine twin flame journey, we will be seeing some messages at the end. So, let's start. The very first card is oh wow, soulmate, clearing core wounds. So, you are attracting a soulmate in your life, or a soulmate has been sent or will be sent very soon in your life. This is what has been said to you, and below is the message for what. And usually in spiritual journey, a soulmate comes in one's life only to heal that particular person. Even soulmates are ones who are actually wounded in some or the other way. So basically you both heal each other with your company. This is what is the actual concept that I always understand. I feel that. So yes, you are attracting it, do claim it. Because fine, you are working on yourself, you are healing yourself and all everything. This is the thing is there, everything is there, no doubt and doubt. But at times not each and every healing can be done, by us. So at that time, divine, this universe sends a soulmate in our life to heal ourselves, and even that person heals us. Even spiritual awakening, shift or be shifted. So very soon you will be experiencing a spiritual awakening, or you're going through it. So you will experience a shift, or already you have experienced the same. As Jupiter has entered Cancer sign, Venus has also entered the Cancer zodiac sign. So because of this also, this may happen with some of you, or it has happened. Breakthrough, wow. Processing karmic debts. So whatever you are going through, or you might go through very soon, it's a breakthrough, and you are processing your karmic debts, and it's a great thing that your karma is getting cleared, your karma will be getting cleared. So stay strong and go through this phase. Spirituality can only help you to come out of this. One with self, blossoming. So finally you have worked with yourself so much that you have reached with your level, that you are someone that you are happy within yourself. You don't need anybody, any other outside person to make you happy. Also, you are one within yourself. This is what I am saying, and you are blossoming. This is what I am seeing over here. Beautiful card. Keep going, keep it up, guys. Let's see some more messages. Child, you are kids are sorry I'm sorry kids are present in this situation. So whatever is your personal situation, some or the other way there is some child involved in your spiritual situation. Maybe custody or something, or anything this can be. Journey, expect travel. Your twin flames, your twin flame is coming towards you, or you will travel towards them. So a message for especially who are twin flames, and this is what happens usually in twin flame journey. In some or the other way, this happens that either they bump into you or you bump into them. This is what it happens. So be ready. And obviously this message is for some specific, not for everybody. Merkaba meditation 369. Activate your Merkaba chariot for ascension and shifting timeless. So if you are familiar, if you know about Merkaba meditation, then it's a great thing, and it is indicating towards it. You need to, or you can join Merkaba meditation for the same, so that you go more deeper and deeper into your spiritual journey. This is what has been said to you. Yearning. Your soul is yearning for its counterpart. Physical meeting is getting closer. So your soul is giving you signs that you may meet someone very soon. It's yearning. You may be even sensing energies, vibes of that person. Maybe you're getting dreams that you're meeting someone. So this is your soul basically giving you some signs and messages. And guys, with the Merkaba meditation that I said, can see this picture that may help you how it helps with respect to 369. So 3 means body, 6 is spirit, 9 is the connecting thread, and between is the Merkaba. If possible, then please join the Merkaba meditation, it will help you. Now let's see some messages with respect to twin flame journey. Let me clear this and we will see. So here's it, and here's the first message. I feel safe around you. So this message, I am clearly seeing this message is from divine masculine towards their feminine. And guys, before proceeding further, I would say that twin flame journey is a very rare spiritual journey. Not each and everyone is meant to be in this journey. Very rare souls are destined to be in this journey, because this journey is not very easy. Ask genuine actual twin flames what they go through in this journey basically, and then you will understand. Also, there is one more concept in this twin flame journey, that is of masculine and feminine, or vice versa, divine feminine, divine masculine. So basically, normally if we look to this concept, if it comes towards feminine, anybody will think, so if the person, if it is said as feminine, so the person will be a girl or a lady, a female figure basically. And if it is a masculine, so that person will be a male figure. But in this spirit, in this twin flame journey, this feminine and masculine doesn't mean a girl or a boy, a male or a female. Even if that person is a male, that person can be in a feminine energy in this journey. Even if that person is a female, can be in a masculine energy in this journey. So mind it, clear it, because this journey is all about the masculine feminine energies and not in person male and female. Understand that? So basically this message is from a DM towards their DF. This is what I clearly feel. If you are in talking terms or no whatsoever, but they always feel safe or they felt safe, I choose you. So if you have worked so much, if you have reached up to that level, then yes, your masculine is choosing you. Why don't you understand me? So basically, I guess a runner and you are chasing, and maybe you might be in the initial stage of this journey, and so hence you're not understanding that your masculine is just running away from you, and you are just being a feminine chasing them. Or I don't know, I'm also sensing this can be vice versa also, like vice versa, as in uh, you are a DF, and somewhere you are like, why aren't you understanding towards your DF? This can be also a possibility. I like you despite your flaws. I think this is a message from a DF towards their DM, because DM is someone with lot of flaws, but still a DF is someone who loves their DM wholeheartedly, literally blindly. I will never let you go. Wow. So if this DF has worked up to that level, then yes, this DM is now coming up to that conclusion that they will never let you go. Beautiful. So with this, I am ending this reading with respect to spiritual journey. So if you liked my video and if you understood it, then please put a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and because your response, your acknowledgement means a lot to me. It will at least give me a clue that I am on the right path. So till then, thank you.